If you guys want to see what I got in my box, keep on watching. Good morning, my Phillies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. It is Wednesday, 7 something in the morning. I hope your day is or does go well. I have my Boxycharm Luxe. Sliced it open, and I'm kind of excited to see what I got in here. Excuse me. I have had allergies that are really kicking my butt, so which is why I didn't do a giveaway for last month. So there's a lot of good stuff in here. And I don't know if y'all heard, but they're doing that merger with Ipsy. I know this was rumored last year to start, but it's going to be official, I believe, next month. So, Boxycharm, here's the Luxe, just says Spring Luxe 2023. I have version 418LX. There are 8 items here. I'm just gonna go with one. All right, so this one is the Verb Moringa Jojoba treatment oil, reduce breakage. Oh, it's for your hair. Okay, damaged hair. All right, hair be kind of frizzy. Let's be real here. So we're gonna put a little bit on the ends, especially because, I mean, aside from trying to talk Michaela to, with trimming my hair, and she cut off like 6 inches. I haven't had my hair professionally done since before COVID. So that's the, that's where I'm at right now. I believe, okay, a few drops, dry hair. Okay. So let's go from mid shaft to the ends. Come on, man, humor me. There is no smell to it. It's light enough, so hopefully it doesn't like make my hair look all greasy, because otherwise I'm screwed. I'll do some of the flyaways up top, but I wanted to concentrate all down here, and then we'll allow that to absorb. But so far so good. This runs for $20, but the blend apparently has been proven to reduce breakage by 73% and mend split ends by 64%. So we're gonna see how well that works. Oh, okay, so we got Truly Beauty Cocoa Rose Fudge Combo Jumbo. It is $35. It's, one of those whipped lotions. I've always wanted to try one of these. Let's see, made with all different types of oils, brighten and hydrates dull skin to give it a youthful appearance. It does smell good. I don't smell the cocoa, but again, I have allergies. It's not COVID, so, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty full. Let's see. Ooh, it's stiff. And let's go ahead and try that. Wow, she's thick. That's how I like my lotions, nice and thick, none of that watery bullshit, because let's be real here, I have dry skin and I need something that's going to stay and actually like absorb. See, I don't smell the cocoa, but I smell the rose, and this feels really good. Just so we're aware though, it is thick, okay? So you kind of have to work that in. It is greasy, but like I said, it's thick. What do you expect it to be, especially for a body cream? Your body needs a bit, a lot of moisture. Okay, so there's that. We have this guy here. This is LYS Beauty. Okay, the complexion brush duo. This is $30. Densely packed brushes, so liquid cream powder. Okay, so there are 2 brushes. I don't know, this almost looks like something I've received before. Maybe, I don't know. Real pretty. It's like this baby matte pink. It's very, very soft. It's triangular shape. Same thing here. So I don't know which one, honestly, I don't know which one is which. Okay, foundation brush, which I'm assuming is this one. Oh, it says it right here. Foundation brush, A little domed. You want it to be, you know, to be packable here. And this one's a little bit more tapered. This one says bronzer. Yeah, sculpt bronzing brush. So in that way you can get into the areas that you want to sculpt. They're very soft and they are pretty densely packed. So I wish I could say, well, maybe it depends on the products. I don't know what all I have in here, but I haven't been wearing face stuff for the exception of competition. So there's that. Okay, another LYS product, Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. Balance and brighten skin while controlling the appearance of excess shine. Oh, okay, so it's got niacinamides in it, AHAs in there. So it's also a skincare product. I guess I can use the foundation brush to apply this. Because y'all know how I am. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I wonder if it's sticky, you know, because a lot of primers these days, it's nice and sealed. A lot of primers these days are sticky, especially like the Milk Hydro Primer. My little, oh my, that just kind of like oozed out of there. My little sister loves the Milk Hydro Primer. So it smells fruity. Okay, and let's go ahead and spread that. I mean, it feels good. It is a gel, you know, like a gel consistency and stuff. So I like how makeup has the skincare benefit versus just being makeup, you know, because then it, you know, you get like other benefits to it, and as it improves your skin while it covers or enhances, I think that's a good deal. Okay, so for $20, it's not bad. If you hear a lot of noises, I'm here in my office. The roofers are here. So there's gonna be quite a bit of banging, so I apologize. All right, Fenty Beauty Instant Revival Priming Eye Gel Cream with a green tea and Persian silk tree. This is $34. This is my first Fenty item, skincare item. Okay, so there's that. Yeah, because girls got Denny's sign, so I got some bags under my eyeballs. Okay, so that's what it looks like, a little tube. Ooh. Oh my god, that smells so good. It's almost like lavender, but not really lavender. It is some floral sweet scent. Oh man, that smells really good. And it starts. Like they got a big old truck rig out in the parking lot, so we have to park out in the street. It's just whatever, it is what it is. God, I can't get over the smell. This smells awesome. All right, so benefits of this. Fake 8 hours of sleep. It's supposed to reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles and plumps the fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet. So let's see if we can get rid of this. All right, next we have, ooh, the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This is $22, transfer resistant gel pencil liner. It's in the shade Pyrrolysite Brown. However you want to pronounce that. I have to be in the mood to put on like brown liner. Really, my go-tos have been obviously my black liners and stuff, but the Marc Jacobs Berry Deep liner. I'm kind of sad that you know, they had stopped making it and stuff, but it is beautiful, like burgundy, and it goes well on everybody's skin tone. Oh my god, I'm too moisturized. I can't open. Okay, there. Oh, okay, so it twists from the bottom, so that way you can raise it up. This is... Okay, and I think because I do have the cream on my skin, it does glide on, so maybe I'll do a look with the brown liner. Maybe. We'll see. See, you know, again, it just depends on my mood. All right, Iconic London Multi-Use Lip and Cheek Palette. This is $55. Let's see, pop out enhancing colors. So 6 dewy cream shades. So let's see. Even just the packaging, the rose gold, and y'all know I love rose gold. Rose gold is one of my favorite colors. Okay, so as usual, like the white chic with the rose gold. Okay, so that is what they look like. I like these pans only because you can mix them or just, you know, leave them as they are. I'm trying to pull this off because I bent it. All right, so let's see. Let's try this color here. It is very creamy. They don't have like names on them, so. Directions. Blush, fingers, lips. I mean, obviously I'm using my fingers and stuff, so it's like it's very sheer on my lips, maybe. I don't look like a porn star like with the other colors that I tried. So let's try a different color for cheek. I don't know if you see that. It's a very light wash of color. There you go. Kind of sweep it upward. Okay, so not bad. Nice washes of color. I'm sure that, you know, if this were applied with the appropriate brush, you know, I mean, do I really want to use the foundation brush on this? I mean, let's, you know, so there is part of the color here. So, but it is buildable, which is nice. It doesn't feel thick. It's not cakey or anything like that. So that's a plus. Okay, and then the last thing, wait, did I get all 8? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yes. Last but not least, okay, I got the Pat McGrath. So this is going to be my first Pat McGrath like eyeshadow palette. This runs for $36. This is the limited edition Quintet Celestial Nirvana in Nude Allure. So this is exciting. Mercurial Rose, Mahogany Angel, Coral Kiss, Plum Eclipse, and Naked Bronze. Oh, those are pretty. These are what they look like, and y'all know about my shimmers. I'm excited to try. I want to at least swatch them before I put my face on. So we're just gonna do these 3 here. I love this rose one, Coral Kiss. That is a, God. They feel like the Natasha Denona shadows, very silky. I don't know if y'all see that, but the color payoff, the silkiness, the, oh my God, just everything about it. This is exciting. Okay, I am going to pause you guys and I will return. I want to try the shadow. I am so freaking pumped. All right, just the final touch before you guys see. I'm pretty happy with this box. I mean, what am I not really? You know what I mean? And voila. I love that eyeshadow. I am just happy with it. I used the brown on the inside of my eyes because I felt like I needed a little bit more. I mean, it's my wing. It's my signature wing. What do you want from me? I didn't add anything else to the face, you know, just the lip that, you know, from when I tried the Iconic palette. But yeah, that's what it was. I went ahead and used this Stuck on You as my primer. Used my fingers because I don't have brushes with me. Used my Dynamic Duo for my brows, and if I can find the other one, it's there somewhere. And that's it. Well, thank you for joining me with this Luxe unboxing. Once the base comes in, I'll combine the February and March giveaways. But I hope you all have an amazing day and stay tuned.